Hey guys, get ready with me today with Dove. So before I start this video, I wanted to talk about an experience that I had when I went to Glorietta to get my scalp tested. So I will be inserting a clip from that day, and then after that, I'll be sharing my base makeup routine. So without further ado, let's get started. So last Sunday, I went to Dove Care Labs at Glorietta and I learned a lot of things about scalp care. They have free consultation there and I am so glad I went to get my scalp tested. I discovered that my terrible hair fall was caused by dryness in my scalp and thinning of my hair follicles. I also learned about the different causes of scalp concerns such as dandruff, which can also be avoided by using the right products. It's so important that we are aware not just of our skin condition but also for scalp health. That's why I'm so happy to have made switch to Dove Dermacare shampoo. You can also visit and get your scalp checked there for free. Okay guys, since I decluttered my primer, I'm just using a moisturizer and SPF. They are both from Tree. I love them because they are water-based. And for concealer, I'm mixing the Easy & Co. Active Skin Corrector in Peach with my Givenchy Prisme Libre Skincaring Concealer. I'm sorry if I butchered the name, but I really love this concealer because it's so creamy and it has skincare benefits, so that's a plus for me. And I love the glow finish, and yeah, I really love it. Also guys, I feel like I look super duper oily here. It's because of my moisturizer and SPF. But for base makeup, I really love for everyday the La Beige Fresh Water Skin Tint. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using the Complexion Touch because this has more coverage and this is the one that I use the most when I'm going out. I really love this. It feels like water, and the finish, oh my goodness you guys, it really blends into your skin and it's so lightweight. It's probably the most wonderful complexion product I've ever used and I really love it. Okay, and then after that, this is very crucial. I feel like I'm gonna be using a sponge or beauty blender and I'm just gonna even out everything, and yeah, it looks perfect after that. And I like to put all my cream products before I apply anything else like powder or setting spray. So I'm just using the Charlotte Tilbury, I forgot what it's called, but it's the cream bronzer and I'm in the shade Fair. This is a little bit too warm for me still, but I like the way it blends. It blends like butter, and I'm just shading my face so I don't look like an egg. Also guys, I know it looks like I'm dragging my face very harshly, but not really. I don't know why it looks like that. But also, this is not the brush that I use for my nose contour. I don't know what I'm doing here and why I didn't use that brush. But basically, I'm just contouring my nose and then I'm gonna be applying my blush. And for blush, I've been using the Rare Beauty in the shade Hope. Okay guys, this next step is very crucial for my base makeup routine. Basically, after applying all my cream products, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply or set my face with a setting spray. The one that I've been loving is from Charlotte Tilbury. I love it. The hype is real. It really works. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with a setting powder. Also guys, it is very important to note that I'm no longer using a puff to apply my powder because I find that when I'm using a puff, my makeup tends to look a little bit more cakey or dry as opposed to when you're just using a brush. So that's it with my base makeup routine, you guys, but later I'll show you guys how I apply my blush and everything else. And moving on, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows like how I usually do it. I don't really do anything special. And also, the brow product that I've been using is only 89 pesos. It's the most affordable thing in my collection and I love it. And yeah, I'm just using the Clio Pro Air palette in Orchid. I forgot, but I'll be putting all the links to the product that I've used on the description box below. And because this makeup tutorial is for my base makeup routine, I'm not gonna be super in depth with the eye makeup look, but I'll still put the colors that I've used on the screen so you guys can follow if you want to. By the way guys, the eyeliner that I've been using right now is from K Palette and I'm loving it so far. It doesn't smudge, it's so easy to control, and yeah, I love it. It's my new favorite. If you saw my previous makeup tutorial, I raved about these two products a lot. This is the Etude House Mascara Fixer and the Easy Hand Long Lash Mascara. I love this. If you have stubborn Asian lashes like I do, this is the solution for you guys. It just I love it. Now you guys, this blush combo, I don't think I'll ever look back. I love it so much. I'm using the Dior Rosy Glow in pink and the Hourglass Ambient Lighting blush in the shade Ethereal Glow. It's so beautiful, you guys. After applying my blush, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some blush topper, and then after that I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my makeup with a finishing powder. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's so good, you guys. It's blurring, it makes your makeup look so flawless, and I highly recommend. Okay guys, that's it for my base makeup routine, and also don't forget to check out Dove Derma Care. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.